Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So, one of my favorite platforms that I use to buy stocks, do trading and everything, and investing is called Wealthsimple. And yesterday, Wealthsimple has released a big new update to its trade app. And this new feature allows you and me to buy fractional shares. So finally, Wealthsimple has released this new feature that many of us have been asking it to do. And so, what is fractional shares? So, fractional shares pretty much allows you to buy a small percentage of a stock of a company. So, Wealthsimple now allows you to buy stocks like from Apple, Tesla, Amazon, Shopify, uh, RBC if you live in Canada, and other few tech companies in the US. So now you could own Apple stock for as little as $1 or $5 if you want, because you own a small percentage of that little stock from Apple or Tesla or any other stock that Wealthsimple right now supports it. So this is a very important update because it allows the regular person like you and me who maybe cannot spend like $1,000 to buy one Shopify share, and it locks us up. Like once you buy $1,000 of a Shopify share, and then you have to hope that it grows a little bit more and then sell it, I guess, if you want to make a profit. But with this small fractional shares, it allows you to diversify. It doesn't lock you in into one share. So if you want to invest maybe only $10 in Shopify, now you can only invest $10 or 20 or 30, whatever you want, and you could use the rest of your little income or the rest of your budget to how do you call it, buy Amazon stock and buy other stocks. So you're diversifying your portfolio and not being locked in into only one share or one company, and hoping that company does well. And also you're not locked in $1,000 only on Shopify. You could have, maybe if your budget's $1,000, then you could cut it off, maybe only 300 for Shopify, 200 for Apple, and so on. So yeah, this is a huge update, and it's very easy to use on Wealthsimple on the Trade app or on the web. So you just open your mobile app. Of course, you go to the sections that support fractional shares from Wealthsimple. So there's only a few companies. I think there's only like about three Canadian companies and then like 10 American companies that Wealthsimple right now is supporting. Hopefully that will grow in the future. But for now, it's a good start because for the Canadian companies, it's the more popular ones. So like Shopify, RBC Bank, and I think Railway Canada, I think are the big ones right now. And then of course in the US, it's Apple, Tesla, Amazon, and a few others as well. So yeah, now you can own Apple stock for as little as $2 or any other big tech company in the US, or even here in Shopify. Like Shopify stock, like I said, it's $1,000, and now you can own it as little as $1 or $5 or whatever money you want to invest in Shopify. So yeah, this is a big deal, and like I said, super easy. You just go to the category section of where it supports it, and it will, you could just start buying your fractional shares from whatever company that right now Wealthsimple is supporting. So yeah, super exciting. And remember to always do your research beforehand before you get into buying these companies. Even though these are popular companies, you do want to do a fair amount of research to see, to see and read what you need to know about your investment first, because these are huge companies. Like Apple is pretty, a safe bet to bet in for investment and everything, but maybe you want to do a little bit more investing to even see how Apple's management and everything is doing before you do any big investments, like buying even fractional shares. Of course, it's still your hard-earned money, so you still want to do a bit of research. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. If you guys did enjoy this video, please do hit the subscribe button because that does help a lot. Hit the like button so that the Amazon algorithm could, can share my video out there. And that's pretty much it. And as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.